Hello, everyone. How's it going? Now, I actually received this Advent calendar from Intel and HP. Now, it's around about, I think it's about 10 or 11 days before Christmas. Now, I thought I might just do the opening of all these Advent calendars with you. And because I've got quite a bit on the next couple of days, I thought I might just open them all up in one go. Now, I have opened up two before, and I thought, I just don't have the time to do it, film every day, so I'm just going to do it all in one go. So, first up is this is as we open it up, it's really about talking about getting yourself ready for Windows 11, as of course Windows 10 support has is finished completion already, and hopefully most people are moving to Windows 11 now. I am on a project to move my organization to Windows 11, and I'm just going to see if I can get along here. So let's start with number one here. So we'll open it up, and what's this one? It's about talking about Windows 11 upgrade. What's this little thing they've given out me? Oh, the hourglass, and it's got a nice little Intel HP logo, and it's a nice hourglass just to remind you the time is ticking. All right, let's look at number two. Whoa, I'm just trying to put that. Number two, let's bring this over here. What do we got here? Now, what's this one here? It's about taking charge of change, basically. See, it's about trying to look at your hardware, make sure your hardware is compatible for Windows 11. And we have down on this side the USB converter. It's just nice one with a retractable thing. Lightning and USB A, and I think it's USB C and USB C. Yep, USB C. How cool is that? And again, HP Intel logo. This is nice. Now I'm just gonna see if I can bring up myself to number three. Where's number three? Here it is. Pop it open. Ah, see if I can put my hand into there. Now I'm just gonna reach my hand into. Ooh, what's this thing here? Any cards in here? I can feel there's a card. I think there is a card. Nope, no card there. What's this one? This is a sunscreen because it is sunny here in Australia, and we have a lot of beach culture here. And let's go for number four. Down this side, let's just put my hand here. Ooh, we've actually got another card here. So it sticks to AI powered productivity about all the AI. We are flooded by that. Whoa, whole bunch of stickers. I love AI stickers. Oh, probably I've got a few more of these cards here about high performance, and one's about investing smarter for Windows 11. And what is actually in this side? I can just feel it. Oh, we have F1 car. Now, this is probably guessing it is HP and Shell. I'm not an F1 fan, so I don't know which particular one that is from, but it is sponsored by Intel and HP. So that's cool. I'll pop it over here. Number five. Let's go to number five here. Oh, what's in here? Oh, I can barely feel it. Oh, it's a bit bigger than I thought. Oh, let's just get it out here. Oh, what is this thing here? It is, ooh, a bamboo solar power bank. Interesting. The fact that it's actually solar power. I've seen a few of these things, right? The USB. Yeah, let's just try. Whoa, made of bamboo, that's for sure. But there's weight to it. And we have USB A, USB C, and micro USB. And look at that. It is solar power. So that's very interesting to see. Okay, what is this? 10,000 watts. Sorry, 10,000 milliamps is for it, and it's capable of 2 amps now, so they'll be able to phone. Very interesting. I'm just going to pop it down this side here. You can see. Now, what are we up to? Number six, isn't it? That's down this side here. There's number six. All right, let's have a look what's in here. Whoop, I can bring it up. Oh, they've got another card here. Yeah, we might as well bring out there. What's the card talking about? Okay, are you a HP customer? Probably asking if you're a HP customer. My organization work for is an HP organization. And oops, here you go. I know this very well. This is a travel wireless mouse. So nice to have added that in. I'll just pop that over here. Now, what do we got? Number seven. Bring this in here. Whoa, what is this one? I've used these before. This is kind of cool. So this is what I think it is. It is one of these mobile stands you can put on, but I can see this mobile stand has also maybe a card holder as well too. So I know these can stick to the mobile phone. I'm actually using my mobile phone to record this, so I can't put it on. And I think it would help me large things. And it does hold cards on this. But let me just try and bring it. I think this is maybe one of those wallets they can stick in the back of your phone, and it's basically a phone wallet, is what they call it. So you can stick cards and then attach it to your mobile phone. That's kind of cool. Just pop it down there. Number 8. Let's bring number 8 in here. Ooh. Oh, this is just a box of something. Not sure this one. Oh, this one got to be something. I don't know what number 8 is. It's oh, here we go. It's actually just rip it open. Oh, is it meant to be something in here? Or that's meant to be blank? Blank on number 8. Just cardboard. Eight. Number 9. Let's bring out number 9. Woof. Intel socks. Now I'm a sock collector here, so this is nice. It's a HP Intel sock. Awesome. Number 9. I like that. It's one of my favorites here. Number 10. Where's number 10? That's a nice small one here. Number 10. Number 10. What do we got here? And it says plant me. About sustainability, and this is about talking about a greener future. So what do we? It's experiment plant. So plant that for number 10. And lucky last, but number 11, what do we have here? Fortune cookie. There we go. An Intel fortune cookie. And there's no card there. Oh, there is a card here. And it talks to be, we see HP with Intel and Windows 11 in your future. Hence why the fortune cookie. Anyway, thank you for joining me for this advent calendar opening. And I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.